Okay, so let's talk about, like, once you are selected for working in an MNC, in a multinational company. Let's take an example, like you are selected for Teleperformance. So you have started working for Teleperformance, So first phase will be your, it's a week training. That is a uh, pre joining training will be there, which they are going to teach you the communication skills, and each and everything will be there for a week. So it will be pre-process training before the process it comes. So after you clear this training in a 1 week, so next week will be started with the process training. So the process training will run around for 1 month. जो प्रोसेस ट्रेनिंग आपकी चलेगी दैट विल बी फॉर वो 1 महीने की रहेगी. सो इन 1 महीने में आपको प्रोडक्ट के बारे में या फिर एप्लीकेशन या सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी बाय योर ट्रेनर. सो देयर विल बी पर्टिकुलर ट्रेनर हु गोइंग टू टीच यू अबाउट ईच एंड इन एंड आउट of the product, application, software, and how to deal with the customer. You are going to talk with a US customer, like United States citizen. So, and with the policy and with the rules, which the Adobe, like let give you example about an Adobe. If you heard about Adobe is the very big company in the US, and there are several chains in India with Adobe, and it's a software company, IT software company. So Adobe is the very big company, and let's suppose like you have to work for Adobe while working for Teleperformance. You are employee of a Teleperformance, but the client they have is Adobe. So Adobe may the clients can ask you any questions. They can ask you any questions, and you have to premature while talking with them. You have to, when you will be on floor, let me talk about like what the things has to be done when you will get onto the floor. Let's suppose you have completed your training, your product training is being completed now, and you are on the floor to give the support, to provide the support to the US customer, US client. Now what you will do, you will get nervous because you are on the floor for the first time. आप पहली बार फ्लोर में हैं और डायरेक्टली आपको यूएस सिटीजन यूएस कस्टमर्स से डील करना है. एंड सो देयर विल बी सम पॉलिसी, rules and policy and regulations will be there which you have to follow. It will be SLAs, like service level agreement. So what is service level agreement? You have to complete your task in a given time of a frame. Like a customer come to you and say like, I want my computer not working because I'm not able to connect the Wi-Fi with my laptop. So you have to complete the task in 20 minutes. So this is the SLA which is given by Adobe to the Teleperformance employees. So it is a service level agreement, which is that like all the employees working in the Teleperformance under Adobe, because the Adobe is the client. So you have to complete that task in 15 to 20 minutes of time under the SLA given time. So that matters. So as the same, you have to deal the customer with the same, same timely manner. So let me tell you about my experience when I was working for the Teleperformance, and it was the Adobe process. I was working as a technical support advisor, L2, level 2, like tier 2. So L1 is the lower one, L2 is upper level for the technical process. I was a help desk analyst, technical support advisor, So I was working with the Adobe, and in that I was a part of Acrobat team, Adobe Acrobat, and in that I have to, I'm telling you, like I have to deal with the US customer with impact. It starts with communication. So we have to deal with the US client because they are our client. So we have to, our communication skills has to be very much accurate and correct. The fluency, pronunciation, vocabulary, and even anything which is required for communication skill has to be there. So we have to deal with them with a good communication skills, and so they can understand what we are telling them. Like grammatical mistakes not has to be there in any kind of problem resolving. If you're resolving any kind of problem, so there will be no part of any communication errors. So just always remember that. Second part will be empathy. So what is empathy? Empathy means you are trying to resolve a customer problem, but customer required to resolve the same problem as quick as the time which is going to spend to, like customer आया आपके पास US client and he is in hurry, वो बहुत जल्दी में है, उसको ये problem अभी fix करनी है, like in 5 minutes. So what you will do? And there is a loss, customer का एक loss हो गया है, उसके वजह से उसकी कंपनी में because of the document which was the Adobe product, so because of that उसका एक loss हो गया है. So how you will manage that situation? So उस situation में आपको क्या करना है? You have to show him empathy. In empathy, it is not like sympathy. Sympathy is different and empathy is different. Sympathy, you can sympathize him. In empathy, you have to empathize him. Empathize means you have to focus while working on his issue at the same time, and you have to manage while talking with him like he will be getting normal. He will be talking with you normal. जब वो आया था कस्टमर तो बहुत ज़्यादा he was very rude, very angry. So you have make him understand like this problem will be fixed. I'm with you, and this problem which you have, we will try 100% to fix this problem, and he will be happy customer from your end, and you will get a CSAT. आपको कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन जो एक लास्ट में आपको पॉइंटर्स मिलता है, उससे आपका जो ओवरऑल स्कोर होता है, जो की परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स में काम आता है, दैट इज मीन बाय KPI. सो वो आपके मैनेजर्स आपको लास्ट में देते हैं, उसी के बेस में आपका मंथली परफॉर्मेंस इंसेंटिव भी बनता है. तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ, हमेशा कस्टमर के साथ don't make the customer more angry, just make them relax from their mind, relax the situation and handle the situation according to customer mind. Just read the customer mind, what the customer requirement is at the same time. So your problem will be fixed, customer will be happy and you will be happy. So that is the best thing. And after providing him empathy and sympathizing him, you have to give him resolution. The resolution will be there. So once the resolution will be there, so everything will be okay, I can say. So this is from my side today. And one more thing, like when you will interact with a customer with any kind of engaging tool, what kind of engaging tool I'm talking about. Engaging tool are like Live Engage. One of the tool is Live Engage, which is named as Jarvis. तो लाइव एंगेज एक टूल है जिससे आप डायरेक्टली कस्टमर से यू आर ऑन अ कॉल विद अ वॉइस कॉल विद अ कस्टमर एंड प्रोवाइडिंग हिम सपोर्ट ऑनलाइन. सो दिस इज यूज्ड इन IT sector, or in a BPO sector it is not used. It is only used in the IT sector or product based company or an application based company. So I am talking about the MNCs. So Live Engage जो यूज़ करते हैं तो उसका एक रूल है. And same was used by me in Teleperformance while helping the Adobe clients in the US. So mostly our clients was like Texas or from South Carolina. So let me tell you about what you have to do in that. You have to give a 3 minutes EFR. You have to respond the customer query in 3 minutes of time in Adobe I'm talking about. So EFR means effective first response, and effective first response is for 3 minutes time. In that means you are working, you are trying to resolve the problem in given SLA. अगर आपने 3 मिनट में कस्टमर की प्रॉब्लम आपने EFR अपना जो रिस्पॉन्स दिया है कस्टमर की क्वेरी के लिए, यू हैव रिस्पॉन्डेड, सो आप एक SLA के अंडर में रह के काम कर रहे हैं. So your managers will appreciate you for that. Even your seniors will appreciate you for that. And second thing will be issue acknowledgement. You have to ask from the customer Or if the customer will say, like, I have a problem on my computer and I'm not able to extract these files. So you will ask, the issue acknowledgement will be like that. So as I can understand, Mark, you are unable to extract the files. Am I correct? This will be the word. You have to acknowledge the issue, like, this is the problem. And customer will say, yes, this is the same problem I have. Then what you have to do, then you have to do paraphrasing. Paraphrasing, in that you will ask them, like, how this problem occurred.